Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. And I am here in my home office, which is where I was when not one but two packages were delivered by our Amazon driver here. One of the packages I was expecting, it's a few art supplies. The second, I had no clue. And honestly, first thought was, did I accidentally order something? And when I saw the box, I knew I didn't. Want to see what I got, guys? Stay tuned.
Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, The Maker Exchange, on Facebook.
So from over there, where the daytime work happens, to over here, where the creative work happens, I'm so excited to add her to the collection with her sister. She's actually the big sister. Okay. That's the big sister, even though she's smaller. And then this is the newest edition. So this was gifted to me by my sister. She is not a creative. She is an educator. But she loves the fact that I sew. She loves the fact that I create. She loves the fact that I do anything that requires, tinkering and artistic expression, because her focus has always been educating from the time we were little kids. So I was online. I was on Goodwill.com, and I had ordered, I had put a bid in on a computerized sewing machine. This one was a Singer. I was outbid. I put another bid in on a Brother computerized one, and it was this. It wasn't this number, but it was the same thing. You know how they'll come out with an extra button, but it's basically the same sewing machine. Anyway, so I got outbid again, and so I was telling my sister about this because she's always on Goodwill.com buying vintage this and vintage that. Nevertheless, so she heard me say that I never ask people for something that I can do for myself or get for myself. And I never ask for someone to get something for me that I don't need. And I don't need a new sewing machine, especially when she's sitting right over there. So I would never put that on anybody, I believe in asking for favors, but I do reserve favors for things that I cannot do, either because of time, strength, or resources. Either which way, I'm not frivolous as it pertains to favors, simply because I believe everybody out here struggling. So anyways, now don't mind here. I got up this morning, cleaned the house. So this actually came a couple of days ago, and I got up, cleaned the house so that I would have time to go get my hair cut after I do this unboxing for you guys. I know this camera's a little bit wobbly and I'm all over the place, but y'all know what it is. I'm too excited about this sewing machine, and I hope you guys are too. And I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. Are y'all ready? Are y'all as excited about it as I am? Tell me. And I'll come back on some other time when my hair is actually cut so y'all can see that I wasn't playing. Not that if anyone cares. But feel free to come for me in the comments. I mean, it's well deserved. It's well deserved. Honestly, if y'all saw what my hair was looking like this week when I was at work over there, you would say, get to that salon and get that trim. Anyways, okay, so enough of me going on and on. Let me turn this camera. All right, so let's get this party started. I have been waiting long enough so that I could do this with you guys. And we are here now. I didn't want to open it up in the middle of the week because I wasn't going to be able to play with it. Not that I'm going to be able to play with it today, but at least I have a minute to take it out. Okay, so off the muscle, the foot pedal is larger than the one it's considerably larger, for the one for my LX2763. Look how large it is. The other one is probably about that big. And then I also had put, and this has stoppers underneath it. Can you guys see that? I had put, that stuff you put in the cabinet liners, that slightly foamy cabinet liners. I actually put that, I sewed it. I basically made a pocket to put it in so that it wouldn't slide all over the place here. So here's the cord. I'm not going to bore you guys with all of the, yes I am. Yes I am. Okay, so I think this is like for the bobbin and the thread. Here comes the styrofoam. One day we will find a better way to package things other than things that don't actually break down. And well, who knows, maybe that's some new type of... Okay, let me take out the manuals. It comes with 1, 2, 3 manuals. I already downloaded one. Let me tell you something. I was so excited, and I knew I did not have the time that I wanted to dedicate to just tinkering around and playing with it and doing all of the things that I don't actually need to do. I don't need this. I'm just blessed that I have a sister that loves me enough to just want to see me happy. You know, and a God that gave me a sister that loves me that much. Okay, amen. Let me move right along. Okay. I pray you guys have someone in your lives that don't mind, you know, splurging just a little bit on you when necessary, when they can. Okay, so here it has a case. Now, I had saw the reviews, and this has styrofoam on the inside, so it's not a true carrying case. This is more or less a case to keep dust off of it, okay? But you can carry it. I saw the representative from Brother say you can carry it, but you want to have it supported from the bottom. All right, so let me move this right along here. Put this on my chair. Slide this over. And then, oh gosh, that was the lid. And then let's get out the machine. All right, so we got the box off. I got the manuals. We're not going to bother with the manual today, okay? I'm just looking at it because I still got to go get my hair cut. And I'm taking off all the plastic. And I really want to plug it up. I do want to plug it up, but the cord situation in my life here in this creative space, I've got lights, lamps, ring lights, sewing machines, computer, iron. It's so much stuff hooked up in this area. It's a bit much. So I'm definitely gonna have to try and figure out where I'm gonna put. Well, she's gonna be over here, and I think I'll put her over there. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna have to make a cover for her because she's only gonna be used for junk journals. Okay, all right. So we've got. Let's see the cord. Now, I'm not going to be able to do all of the things today. Y'all can hear in my voice the level of excitement that comes with this new machine that I have been secretly wanting for a few years now. And why is it taking so long to get this off of here? Okay. All right. And then as soon as I got finished doing this, I'm wanna go get Josh some lunch and then head over to get my hair cut and then run over and grab groceries, drop them off. And all right, so then we take this out, put her back in like so. Look at that foot pedal. She won't be sliding all over the place. That is so awesome. It's the little things, you know. It is just the little things. All right. There we go. All right, so now this other one, both the power cord, this one, both the power cord and the pedal are on one cord. Good or bad, that's how it is. It also came with this, which is it's like a quilting something or the other, a quilting table for, well, maybe it's not just for quilting, and I'll probably keep it in the box because this is going to be for garment and bag making, this machine here. So this goes like so. gotta take this off. Oh, there's so much taping. They ship it secured. That's a good thing. I'm not mad about it. I mean, I probably could have did some of that off camera, but here we are. Okay, so I'm going to take this off, and inside of here is a bag with tools in it. I believe this is something like a buttonhole. I don't know. I'm sure you guys know. This is a tool to use on here. We'll figure it out together. Some extra needles. Let's see. I think it comes with 3 feet. 3 different feet. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 extra feet. Now, I don't know which one is a zipper foot. I would say maybe this one is a zipper foot. I can't. My other one has one. I very rarely use it, although when I'm sewing something with fabric, I'm typically putting a zipper on it. So you think I would. Anyways, a couple of bobbins and 3 bobbins, and this is organ needle. What's the organ needles? I don't know. Okay, there's a double needle here. Oh, geez. Got the double needle. I'm not sure what type of needles those are, but we got them. And then we've got the 5 different feet, the tool, the hole maker, buttonhole maker, and it's in that little pouch, and that gets stored in here. That was here like that. Now you have to take that off in order to put this on. I don't know if I'm doing it right, and I don't know how it's actually supposed to be done, but we are going to see if I am smarter than a 3rd grader. Maybe I am. Oh, here we go. Wow. Okay, so all right, so that's that. I'm going to go ahead and take that off because I don't really need it. That's awesome to have, though. Okay. And then move that off to the side. How exciting. This is like one of the most exciting things that I have received in terms of something that I've actually was in the process of trying to purchase. Where does this go? Okay. I mean, if I looked at the manual, I'm almost certain that it'll tell me. Hold on. Okay, so I saw the manual says to put it back here. I mean, of course, I had to go to the manual. It should be right here somewhere. Oh, there we go. Y'all know y'all saw that. Y'all just wanted to make me look like an utter fool. I didn't need much help, to be honest with you. Anyways, okay. So, let's get the tape off. Let me know if y'all see any more tape. I went on ahead and moved her over to there. That's where she'll sit for now. At least until I converted the middle room and the... Anyways, that's another conversation for another day. All right, so I'm going to put this back on because we won't be using the quilting table just yet. Okay, now let's power her on. I could read the manual. Let's see if this button does it. No, that's not it. Of course not. Okay. Let's see what we got here, guys. All right, hopefully you guys can see that. Cool. Now I did notice there is a needle threading button, a reverse secure stitch, and that button, I don't know what that is. Now, it's a whole lot going on here with, it has 99 stitches, more than that, 108 stitches, it looks like. And then letters, monogram, I should say. We're going to try these things out. But I'm going to have to take a break and get my earrings ran, and then I'll come back and we'll finish it up from there. So, just a minute. Okay, so using my new sewing machine, I have created my very first zipper pouch with the handle included. I used some old hardware from a course that I had a few years back. But anyways, I altered the pattern a little bit so that I could sew this zipper on the face of the pouch. Added this, and then I also used this African inspired fabric that I purchased off of Amazon. I think I showed you guys in a previous video. So I'm going to wrap this up and send it over to my aunt along with this cute little brooch. It was actually earrings that I bought like about 8 years ago, and I had made myself a pin out of one, and then I still had the second one. Anyways, I think that's cute. I'm going to send that off to her. And now I am getting ready to get started on, I was at Hobby Lobby. I showed you guys this fabric that I purchased to make a blanket with. But then I had to go back to get this minky fabric. So I have already cut the fabric out to make, I think it's going to be 30 inches by 30 inches. And then I also picked up this satin blanket binding. I'm going to use this pink thread, and I'm going to get started. Now, hopefully, because this stuff, when I cut the edge of it, it just disintegrates the edging of it. The fibers just go all over the place. So hopefully it won't clog up my new sewing machine. But I'm so excited. I actually have one that has, it has so many stitches. So hopefully I'll be able to use one of these stitches. Which stitch should I use for that? Okay, put in the comments. Let me know which stitch I should use. I'm thinking about using either that, because it's for a little girl, or maybe even that around the edge. I don't know, just depending on how difficult or how complicated this might be. It shouldn't be too difficult, right? Anyway, so I just wanted to come back and show you guys what I have accomplished with the new sewing machine and what I will be working on next in between my watercolor journey. So you'll see a little bit more of that. I know you guys said that you wanted to see some sewing on the channel. So listen, I hope this has inspired you to try something new. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel. Now is a great time to do so. And for those who are returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for your continued support. Now until we're back here together on YouTube and Patreon. Y'all know the deal. Stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.